Good morning, children. After poem 2, Grandparents, I'll be starting a very interesting story, Gulliver's Travel, chapter 5 from your literature book. This story is taken from the book Gulliver's Travel, written by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift was an Englishman who has written many adventurous stories. He did not face any challenges in real, but he dreamt about it or thought about it and written many exciting stories. Jonathan Swift was very imaginative person. He wrote many delightful stories and Gulliver's Travel is one of them. So children, who is the writer of the story? Jonathan Swift. In the story Gulliver's Travels, who is Gulliver? Gulliver is the main character in the story Gulliver's Travel and it is written by Jonathan Swift. Suppose children, if you will write a story and in your story, if the name to the main character is Rahul, then you will be the writer of the story and Rahul will be the main character. In the same way, the writer of Gulliver's Travels is Jonathan Swift and the main character is Lemuel Gulliver. Children, Gulliver's Travels is an autobiography. What is an autobiography? When the person tells the story of his own life by himself, it is called autobiography. In the chapter, the main character Gulliver is narrator. In this story, he is telling about his own life's adventures. So, it is the autobiography of Gulliver. So, okay, let's start reading the chapter. Children, turn to page number 39. Chapter 5, Gulliver's Travels. I am only 42 years old. Still, I have already had many strange adventures in my travels to far off lands of the world. Lemuel Gulliver tells that he was just 42 years old and at the age of just 42 years, he has experienced a lot of adventurous trips and travelled distant lands or travelled far off places. Here, when I am saying far off, then the spelling of off is O-double-F. Now next paragraph. Strange adventures aren't what you would expect from someone named Dr. Lemuel Gulliver. But being a doctor in London just didn't satisfy me. Traveling to distant lands in the world always fascinated me. Now the narrator Lemuel Gulliver was a doctor. What is the job of a doctor, children? To cure his patients, to give them medicine or prescribe them medicine. But Gulliver was not satisfied with his job. He wanted to do some exciting and strange things in his life. He wanted to travel distant land. Traveling to distant land fascinated him so much. Fascinated means attracted. There was always somewhere in his mind that he should do something exciting or travel to distant land. So you saw children that Gulliver was a doctor, but वो अपने जॉब से सेटिस्फाई नहीं था. उसको तो कुछ एक्साइटिंग करना था, कुछ स्ट्रेंज करना था अपनी लाइफ में. ट्रैवल करना था दूर दूर लैंड में, all over the world. He wanted to roam or travel all over the world. Now next paragraph. So after qualifying as a doctor, I signed up as a ship's doctor and spent 3.5 years sailing around Europe. So the dream to travel far off places was always kept in his mind. हमेशा उसके दिमाग में यही रहता था कि मुझे तो दूर दूर जो जगह है उनको देखने जाना है. But he completed his studies and got doctor's degree. Children, आपका भी कोई ना कोई ऐसा ड्रीम होता होगा जो आपको लगता है, किसी को गिटार बजाना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को ड्राइंग करना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को घूमना अच्छा लगता है। तो कोई ना कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है। द सेम वे गलिवर को भी ट्रैवलिंग अट्रैक्ट करती थी, लेकिन फिर भी उसने क्या किया, अपनी स्टडीज़ को कंप्लीट किया। और उस स्टडीज़ को कंप्लीट करने के बाद उसको जो डिग्री मिली डॉक्टर की, उसके बाद उसने क्या किया, अपना ड्रीम भी अपने मन में छुपा के रखा। और उसने ये सोचा कि मैं स्टडीज़ करूँगा और स्टडीज़ के बाद मुझे डिग्री भी मिल जाएगी डॉक्टर की, उसके बाद मैं ट्रैवल करने जाऊँगा। So he completed his studies and got doctor's degree. And after that, he got a chance to get a job on a ship as ship's doctor. गलिवर को और क्या चाहिए था, उसको तो ट्रैवलिंग बहुत पसंद थी और उसको क्या चांस मिला, ही गॉट अ चांस एज शिप्स डॉक्टर. सो what he wanted, he got. Then rest of the story we'll read in the next video.